Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you. It's called Cloud Mining Pro, a tool that lets you mine cryptocurrency straight from the cloud, no hardware, no setup, and no tech stress. If you've ever wanted to mine Bitcoin but didn't know where to start, this is your chance. Let's jump right into it. So, once you log in, here's the dashboard. Clean, simple, and super easy to use. Right up front, you'll see your total earnings, your current hash rate, and your available balance. Everything updates live, so you can actually watch your earnings grow. Let's start mining. Head over to Mining Control, select the coin you want to mine. I'll pick Bitcoin, of course, and then just click Start Mining. Boom! Instantly, your hash rate activates. As your miner runs in the background, the layout is beginner-friendly. On the left, you've got all your main controls, and in the center, the mining stats that really matter. Now, and you'll start seeing your earnings climb right here on the dashboard. The coolest part, since everything runs in the cloud, you don't need to keep your PC on. The mining continues even while you're offline. -24/7's passive income. After a few minutes, you'll notice your balance increasing automatically. It's that simple. No downloads, no installations, no complicated setup. Just pure cloud mining power working for you. Now for the best part, the withdrawal. Once you reach the minimum balance of $10, you can withdraw your profits directly to your crypto wallet. Let's do it right now. Cloud Mining Pro is hands down one of the easiest ways to start mining Bitcoin and earning crypto automatically. I'm heading to the withdrawal section, entering my wallet address, selecting Bitcoin, and clicking withdraw. And done. The transaction's confirmed. Funds are on the way to my wallet. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next earning method. See you in the next one. Peace out.